Hello students, welcome to another lecture of random process and information theory. Today we will discuss about the properties of cross correlation function. So I have written here properties of Rx of y tau, and this is nothing but the notation for cross correlation function. So the first property which I have written here is cross correlation function Rx of y minus tau will be always equal to r y x of tau. That means if you will put minus tau here, then this will interchange x and y, which are the two random processes jointly wide and stationary random processes. This will interchange, x of y will be interchanged as yx. That means r x y of minus tau is nothing but r of yx of tau. So this is first property of cross correlation function. Second property which I have written here is this: mod of r x y of tau will be always less than or equal to root of the product of autocorrelation function of x at 0 into autocorrelation function of y at 0. That means the maximum value of cross correlation function can occur anywhere, but it cannot exceed this value. Which value? This value. This value is the maximum. That means maximum of this can occur anywhere, but it should not exceed this value. That means it cannot exceed this value. Done. Third point is this, third property rather, it's mod of r x y of tau is less than or equal to half of autocorrelation function at 0 plus half of autocorrelation function of y at 0. Third property. Fourth one is two random processes x of t and y of t are called as orthogonal or mutually orthogonal if cross correlation function of the two, that means obviously of the two random process x and y, should be 0 for all tau. That means I can say that I can interpret it physically, or you can say qualitatively. Interpretation for this fourth one property will be that two shapes of two random process x of t and x y of t plus tau are different. They are not related with each other. They are not similar. There is no similarity in the shapes of x of t and y of t plus tau. No similarity between the two shapes of random process x of t and y of t plus tau. That means these two are orthogonal. That means cross correlation function of the two random process should be 0 for all tau. If this is possible, then I can say these two random processes are called as orthogonal random process. Now, fifth property: if the random processes x of t and y of t are independent, then cross correlation function will be nothing but product of the expectation of x into expectation of y, where that means r x y of tau is nothing but mu of x into mu of y, where mu of x is nothing but expectation of x and mu of y is nothing but expectation of y. So I have written here that if the two random processes are independent, then or cross correlation function, that's r x of y of tau, is nothing but expectation, product of the expectation of x into expectation of y. These are the properties which I have written here. Now in the next video lecture, I will try to show proof of few properties. Thank you.